Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Winterstoke Road in Bedminster, and we're at this heavily extended 3-bedroom semi-detached house. It's been beautifully renovated by the current owners. It has a huge plot, massive garden, double garage and ample off-street parking, which in this area is a huge bonus. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Saw you in the morning and your eyes closed. The lights and the sound set you free. Take out your money and the night goes. And just like the movies, I come back in all those dreams for you. You feel it forever, knowing you never follow through. Whatever the night brings, I hope that you find it someone new. And maybe they'll love you, maybe they'll harm you like I do. You've been falling in your sleep, looking for the rhythm in the echoes. And I will never let you be, 'cause everywhere you go, you know that I'll go.
If you're interested in viewing this property, or equally if you'd like a valuation of your own house, please feel free to get in contact using the details below. Many thanks.
For you.